Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we'll be solving another very interesting question from algebra. We have x plus 1 over x equal to square root 2 plus square root 3. Then we have to find x power 100 plus 1 over x power 100. So let's get started by writing required expression equal to e first. Now we will write our equation x plus 1 over x equal to square root of 2 plus square root 3. We have square root in the right hand side, so we'll be squaring both sides. So let us put power 2 on both the sides. From right hand side we can cancel square root with a square, and in LHS we are going to use a plus b whole square formula, which will give us x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 equal to 2 plus square root 3. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides. Plus 2 minus 2 will be over. We are going to get our first equation, x square plus 1 over x square equal to square root 3. Equation number 1. Now our target expression is x power 100 plus 1 over x power 100. We will consider cubing both sides. So I will write here x square plus 1 over x square equal to square root 3. Now we will put power 3 on both the sides. We'll be using a plus b whole cube identity in left hand side. So we can write a cube, which is x square whole cube, plus b cube 1 over x square whole cube plus 3 times ab. So 3 times x square times 1 over x square times a plus b. So x square plus 1 over x square. And in RHS, square root 3 times square root 3 times square root 3 will give us 3 square root 3. X square and x square will be over from numerator and denominator. X square plus 1 over x square is root 3 as per equation 1. We will use power rule. A power b whole power c will be equal to a power b times c. So we can multiply these two powers here and here also. So we will get x power 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 over x power 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 times square root 3 equal to 3 times square root 3. Now we have to subtract 3 square root 3 from both the sides. So RHS will give us 0. In LHS, it will be left with x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 equal to 0. Now x cannot be equal to 0. So we can multiply both sides by x power 6. So we will write x power 6 times x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 equal to 0 times x power 6 will be equal to x power 6 plus 6, 12 plus x power 6 times 1 over x power 6 will become 1 equal to 0. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. We are going to get x power 12 negative 1. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Now we will write our required expression e, which is written here. So I will write x power 100 100 can be written as 96 plus 4 plus 1 over x power 100 will be equal to x power 96 plus 4. Now we will use one exponent law. A power b plus c can be written as a power b times a power c. So we will write our target expression x power 96 times x power 4 plus 1 over x power 96 times x power 4. We can find x power 96 here by writing x power 24 times 4. Using power rule, a power bc is a power b whole power c. So we can write here x power 24 whole power 4. Now x power 24 we can find from equation number 2. X power 12 equal to negative 1. So after squaring both sides, we will get x power 24 equal to minus 1 square. So we will get 1. X power 24 will be 1. So we can write here 1 power 4, which is equal to 1. So in place of x power 96, we will write 1. So our target expression will become E equal to x power 96, which is 1 times x power 4 plus 1 over x power 96, 1 times x power 4. So our required expression will become x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Now we will write our equation 1. Equation 1 was x square plus 1 over x square equal to square root 3. Now we will be squaring both sides. So I will put power 2 in the LHS as well as in the RHS. A square root and a square will be cancelled out from right hand side. We'll be using a plus b whole square identity in LHS and write x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 plus 2 equal to 3. So we can write x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 equal to 3 minus 2. Value will be 1. So our target expression will become E equal to x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 equal to 1. So our answer is expression is 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Bye bye.